Hi, I am Silas. We haven't made any more videos for a while, but today we are going to make cheesecake. The ingredients are really simple. All you need is 2 sticks of cream cheese. Make sure it's the original, fatty, kind of makes you fat kind, not the light one because it won't work. Light whipping cream, not heavy. 4 eggs, no more, no less. Sugar, vanilla extract, and a secret ingredient called Cream of Tartar. I'll tell you why it's a secret later. First thing you need to do is to take out the cream cheese out of the fridge and leave it out anywhere where it's room temperature and wait until it's soft for about half an hour. And then you're probably going to need to preheat the oven for 300 degrees, but there's a secret. You need to put a tray of water at the bottom of the oven, about there. Next thing you need to do is to take your soft 2 sticks of cream cheese and put it in a mixing bowl with the whipped cream. I didn't mention, you're also going to have to use your spatula to scrape off all the leftover cream cheese on the wrapper. Oh, quick reminder, do not throw your cream cheese wrappers. You can throw the boxes though. Next, we're going to need some light whipping cream. 8 ounces. Looks like milk. The next thing we need to do is put your mixing bowl over here. Okay, I think that's good. Put this thing down. Lock. And I think it's gotta be 2 here. The next thing we need to do is to measure 2/3 cup of sugar. And let's pour it out. Use the flat edge of a knife to properly measure, level the thing. We're gonna put a pinch of salt in there. This is a tiny little spoon, and it's about a pinch. So I'm just gonna put a little tiny spoon in there. Next, we're going to need to put vanilla extract in there. If you do love it a little bit, but not that much, you can put half a teaspoon in there. But I love it, so I'm going to put a full teaspoon on there. While it's mixing, the next step you need to do, crack the eggs and separate the egg white and the egg yolk using this tool. I guess that's it. That's 1. You can now pour the 2 egg yolks in the mixing bowl. And then these 2 other egg yolks will be used in another recipe. Score! Oops. I think I might have accidentally dropped the egg yolk and threw it on the table on an accident. I hope I don't do that again. Okay, that's good. Good thing we only need 2. Here's another secret I'm going to tell you. You're going to have to beat the egg white separately from the other bowl and make it turn a little foamy and white or both. Or make sure it's a clean new one. No other stuff in it, or it'll taste completely different. Oh, you're also going to need a clean new beater too. And you may need to beat it all the way. Next, when it turns a little foamy and white, you're going to add your final 1/3 cup of sugar in it. And then turn it back all the way. Oh, next you're also going to need to add the secret Cream of Tartar in there. You see it's completely white and a little foamy. The thing you need to do is wait until it's stiff and standing up. Next thing you need to do is the trickiest part. You need to fold your egg white into your cake batter and then mix it in. How about do like 1/3 of it instead of doing the entire thing and dumping it? I don't think it will work. Just do 1/3, yeah. When you're folding, you want to make sure that there are no more bubbles or bumps or warts or anything. Yep, they look like warts. You can call them mountains too on the landscape. Mountains on the landscape. Or you can call it a witch's wart. If you don't know what folding is, so you scrape the sides with your spatula one or 2 times, and then you flatten it out against one side of your mixing bowl. When you're done folding, you can put your cake in this spring foam pad. That is locked. Or you don't drop the bowl. Next, we're going to put your cheesecake or uncooked cheesecake in the oven. Wondering why my cheesecake wasn't here anymore. For 45 hours? Minutes. We're gonna leave it in the oven for 45 minutes. Then when you're done baking, you can put it in your fridge or enchanted fridge, freezer, for a day. It doesn't taste good the same day. A day. Make sure it's cold tomorrow. Then you're going to eat it tomorrow. Next, when you take it out of the oven, you're going to run a knife around the cake While you're waiting for your cheesecake to cool down, we are going to make the best sauce for cheesecake. Strawberry sauce. The first step is to cut strawberries. Keep cutting them until they're split into into eighths. You can cut them more if you want. If you want to make more sauce, no, just kidding, it's the same amount. Next, we're going to put 2/3 of your strawberries in a saucepan. Guess that's about enough. This is sour. Now next we're going to add 3 tablespoons, this kind of tablespoon, of sugar into your strawberries. It depends on how sweet or sour your strawberries are. If you're unlucky and it's sour, you're probably going to have to add more sugar. If you're really lucky and it's sweet, you can add less sugar. So those people out there who do not like sugar that much, try to find sweet strawberries. The next step is to stir your strawberries and sugar and smash it. Stir, stir, stir. I feel like I'm pouring out a tube of blood. Just looks like it. Next, you're gonna add the rest of the strawberries to add a little texture to your slimy, liquidy, blah, blah, blah sauce. The next thing you're going to need to do is to put your strawberry sauce or hot sauce into the fridge until it's cool. Not the freezer, the fridge. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Leave a comment on the comment section down below and see what you want to make next. That's made out of food. And we hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.